Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily convert any document or book from MOBI version or format to another format. To begin, simply open your browser and type Calibre and hit enter. As a next step, open calibre-ebook.com. Click to download the Calibre software, select the version which you want, and download Calibre 64 in my case. And as a process, you will need just to install this software as you install any document. Once you have downloaded and installed the software, make sure to open it. Open your document, click on it, and drop drag inside Calibre. The operation of installation takes less than a minute. As a next step, right-click on your document and select Convert Books, Convert Individually, and then click on Output Format and choose the format which you wish for. At this stage, I'm going to select TXTZ. You can change the title, the author if needed, and the author sort, and click OK. You will see here a job being processed. Click on it, and you will see the progression of the conversion of your document or book. Click to close it once done. Right-click on your document and select Save to Disk. Save to disk in a single folder. And here in my document, you see that documents will automatically appear on the left. So click Select, and as you can see, it has added the needed document. Once done, you can go ahead and remove the document or the book from the software. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.